So in this Canva tutorial video, I want to show you guys how to create a gradient background here in Canva. So first thing you have to do is just go to the image right here, press on the background. What I want you to do is go to the top left corner to where it says background color. I want you to press on that. Then I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom to where it says gradients right here. It doesn't really matter, just press whatever one you want. I'll just press this black and gray one right here, and that is an example. Now, if you want to change the color of this gradient, if you go to the top left corner, it doesn't really give you options to do that. If you press on another gradient, it changes to another gradient. It doesn't really matter. Now, if you want to change the gradient color, for example, so right now it looks like a black, a lighter black, and more of a gray color. Go to where it says add a new color right here. Then where it says gradient colors right here, I want you to press on right here, add a new gradient color, or actually go to solid colors right here. No, sorry, gradient colors right here. Press on this right here. Then I want you to go, let's just say I want a red one, for example. I will press on red. That is the third option. If I go back here, sorry, my apologies. I'll press on that if I want to change this one, right? You just change this one. Let's just say I want to make it green. I can change this one right here. I make it green. And if I want to change this one from black, I can change it to blue by making it just like that. And there you go. I have now adjusted this gradient and made it my own. So that is how you can create a gradient color here in Canva. I hope this video helped.